Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to set up voting on your server. Firstly, I'll install the voting plugin from the download page. The link is in the description. Once the jar is downloaded, head over to Server.pro and open your server. Go into service and then ensure in configuration that your server is set to a bucket server type. You can pick paper or spigot. I'm just using the latest version of paper. Then head into files and plugins and drag the jar we downloaded into the folder. This will take no time to install. Once that's done, restart the server for the changes to take effect. Now we're going to configure the plugin. You need to go to Files, Plugins, and then the Voting plugin. You need to open this following file, and then list the websites your server is listed on. The name of the voting site, then set Enable to True, set the display name on how it will appear to players, and choose a priority number to determine the order. For example, 1 will appear as first. In the service section, you can name the website, and then paste the voting URL for your server. You should also set a vote delay to the time between votes. The usual time for websites is 24 hours. Scroll down to Display item. This determines the reward for voting. For example, players can receive 1 diamond. In rewards, enter the command for the player to receive, like this: console give player diamond 1. Set a custom message that players will see after voting. Add another voting site and configure its settings if needed. Once all changes are made, save the file and restart the server. Now we'll test the plugin. All you have to do is copy your server host name. Open Minecraft and paste the hostname in the multiplayer section. Then enter the server. Once you're in, enter the command /slvote. The configured website should appear. You click on the website, follow the instructions on screen, and the in-game reward will appear after voting. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!